The most successful people in the world wake up at this exact time. So legend has it that Mark Wahlberg wakes up at 3 a.m. every morning to own his day. 3 a.m.? Yeah, that's probably not for me or you, I'm assuming. That might be when you're actually falling asleep. Rise and grind. I'm sure you've heard it before. But have you ever wondered the actual average time the most successful people in the world wake up at? Well, you're in luck. I did the research for you and found the average time the most successful people set their alarm clock to every morning. And that time is, wait for it, wait for it. Well, before we get to the exact time, let's take a look at some of the most successful people in the world's individual morning rise time. Warren Buffett, 6:45 a.m. Jeff Bezos, 5 a.m. Mark Zuckerberg, 8 a.m. Elon Musk, 7 a.m. Oprah Winfrey, 6 a.m. Of the 21 most successful people in the world surveyed, all billionaires, the average amount of sleep was just shy of 6.5 hours. And the average time they woke up was 6:01 a.m. And that is why I set my alarm every morning to 6:01 a.m. It's a reminder that the most successful people in the world are doing it, so I'm going to do it as well. Gain confidence today knowing that at 6:01 a.m. can be the time you wake up and take on the world. But also gain confidence knowing that all the uber successful people that you and I look up to, they have the same amount of time in the day as you and I also do. So I get the question asked a lot, David, how do you stay so young? How do you still look like you're in your 20s? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I like to think that. And I do get that question a lot. And hopefully it's not people asking why I act young, but why I stay young and look young. And really the reason is what I've been doing for the past year. The skin company I have been using is called OneSkin, and for my face it's cleared up rosacea. It's helped keep my skin vibrant. It actually has reduced the actual true age of my skin. It's crazy. It's like telomeres where you reduce the actual age of who you are. This reduces the age of your skin. My wife and I, we went up to HQ in San Francisco early 2023, and we saw the entire lab, met the people, saw the mission that they are on, and they're doing it. They are quickly becoming the #1 skincare company. They've got skin lotion for your face, for your entire body, even healthy sunscreen, which is very hard to come by. OneSkin, as amazing as they are, they've given me and my wife the ability to give out a code to get 15% off to try it out for yourself. My code is David15. My wife says Taylor15. Decide who you like better. Be careful. But really, it's been a game changer for me, and I won't use anything else because of what it's done for my skin. So check it out for yourself, oneskin.co. That's oneskin.co, and the code is David15 or Taylor15. Let me know how you're liking it.